Good morning. It's currently 7:30 a.m. and I woke up at 5:30. Today was a bright and beautiful day. I put on my workout set and then I took the train and like I read like a book. Let me show you. I read this like cute little book. I have a bunch of them because I feel like they're super small and easy reads. This one is called Be Kind and I think it's like the Dalai Lama. And then I got to the bottom of Central Park, biked my ass all the way up to the Belvedere Castle, and then I met up with my friend Arden and we just walked around, saw some flowers, and she just went back to her house because she has to go to work. But I'm about to head back down to the apartment and we're gonna start our day. Ready? Wait for it. Yep. I just got home. It is so freaking pretty out today. Like it makes my apartment look so like, let me show you. Are y'all seeing this? The way the light just like hits? Oh my gosh, I love being home, which is so crazy because as y'all know, I always move every like 6 months to a year to like a whole different city, a whole different apartment because I just get so bored and nothing ever feels like home. And I'm like always just like in a constant state of being uncomfortable. But in New York and like this apartment, I feel like it's actually my home, and whenever I travel, I feel homesick, which is crazy, but like I love my apartment. And I know you're probably like looking at it being like, yeah, no shit, Mai. But like, do you know what I mean when there's like a difference between like just like a house and like a home? I hope you understand. Thank you. By the way, I just want to say that because without you, I would not be living here at all. I'm very aware of that. I'd probably still be sleeping in my friend's basement on her couch. So kisses. Also, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Oh my God, fun story. I'm gonna tell y'all a fun story. You're probably watching this if you're the subscriber, but one time I met the subscriber and she was like a huge supporter. Like she was so excited to see me and I loved her energy and everything like that. She showed me that she watched every single one of my YouTube videos, like it had the red bar, but she wasn't subscribed. And this is not a fake story. Like she watched every single one of my videos and she wasn't subscribed. And I know a lot of y'all are probably doing that right now, so make sure to subscribe. I love the smell of my house. Let me show y'all what I bought. I like went to a restaurant and then I went to the bathroom. It was like an Asian restaurant and I thought the bathroom smelled so good, so then I ordered it off of Amazon. It's this Craft & Kin Jasmine and Lily like diffuser thingy. I'll link it down below, but this smells so good. Everyone that walks in my house is like, wow, your house smells good. So definitely get this if y'all want your room or whatever to smell good. All right, today, I just basically want to walk around and do nothing. Maybe we'll go eat some breakfast, go to the spa today, get a facial, go grocery shopping, make a little fruit salad. I don't know. Basically, I'm just gonna take you along the day with me in New York because I feel like a lot of y'all just love me hanging around in New York, which like I love because that means I just get to have fun and show you guys and take you around. So that's what we're gonna do today. First of all, this laundry. I like washed all of my bed sheets, all of my clothes. Yeah, so I have all this laundry that I need to do, but I just don't want to do that right now, so we're gonna put that off until later. But for now, let's get ready so that we can go eat breakfast. My genuine thought process today was like, oh, I should like get ready and do my makeup because like whenever I do my makeup and like I look pretty, I always get more views and more subscribers. But I'm not gonna do that because I just don't give a fuck. We're gonna go with the acne scar no makeup look today because that's what I do every single day and I usually only get ready whenever I'm filming, but I just don't care anymore, so it's a no makeup day. I'm way too sweaty for this. But I'm gonna use the Dermalogica Daily Exfoliant and then I'm mixing it with this smooth cleanser. Oh my God, wait, let me show y'all. I have Kim Kardashian's skincare line and it's so aesthetic, so we're also gonna use that to do my skincare today, but I'm gonna first cleanse my face using these two things. If y'all don't know, I literally used to have so much acne and like I go through phases where I have a lot of acne and then go through phases like right now when my skin's super clear, and right now it's super clear, but I think it has to do with like a lot of things, especially my diet. I mostly eat plant-based now. I wouldn't say that I'm vegan. Oh my God, it's the fact that I'm like talking to you guys like you guys give a fuck. You know what, I haven't talked to y'all in a while, so let me be. No, it's not like I'm vegan because I'm not, but I try to be vegan. I think the fact that I'm also like not strict with it makes it super easy because it doesn't feel like I'm restricting myself or anything like that, you know what I mean? I tried to eat vegan and oh my gosh, my skin cleared up completely, like completely. And I don't know if it's the vegan diet, but my face feels so clean after exfoliating it with like that Dermalogica thing. Like, do you guys just see how like sparkly my face looks? I'm gonna go in with the Kim Kardashian with skin toner. It's just so aesthetic. I bought this like for a TikTok to try it. I mean, now that I have it, I'm gonna use it. I think the products are good. I mean, like they smell and feel like any other product that I use, but I think that it's just like overpriced for what it is. Oh my God, y'all. I'm gonna link this down below. Go buy this because my skin feels fucking amazing. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the hyaluronic acid serum. Ooh, wow. Packaging is so cute. I'll also link this below if you guys want to buy it. You must be rich if you're gonna voluntarily buy this. Can't forget the sunscreen. I'm gonna use the Elta MD UV Daily Broad broad spectrum. Apparently this is like dermatologist's like favorite sunscreen. I be switching through my sunscreens all the time though, so glowy, so fresh. As y'all can see here, my closet is currently broken because I think my dad was fucking delusional when he put it up. So this shit came crashing down the other day. I ordered a new closet system to put up, but for now, I'm gonna just act like it doesn't exist. All right, I'm gonna change into an outfit real quick. I think I'm gonna wear a dress since it's hot out today, and then maybe like a little shirt on top, and then just in case I get hot, then I can take the shirt off. But oh my god, this dress is so cute. It's honestly one of my favorite pieces. It's from White Fox Boutique. For perfume, I think I'm gonna go with Daisy Marc Jacobs in Skies. This one smells so yummy. Like it just tastes like, it like kind of smells like candy. Do y'all see my tooth gem? I went to like this pop-up and then they were doing tooth gems, so then I got a tooth gem. All right, this is the final fit. I added some sunglasses with some headphones, and then I'm gonna put on my New Balance 550s, but I think that the sunglasses and the headphones with like the backpack really completed the look, because before, not gonna lie, kind of felt like I was raw dogging it and I was not feeling the vibes, but I think that now, like this is a look, you know? But oh my god, a lot of you guys asked me where my headphones are from. These are the Sony, I don't even know what they're called. I'll link them down below, but they're the best headphones ever. I was gonna get the AirPod Pro Maxes, like the Apple ones, but those were mad expensive. I think these were like $200 cheaper, and the sound quality is amazing. Thank you. They're the best. I love everybody here. They're all so sweet. Like it makes it so fun to like go outside, you know? All right, I'm currently at my favorite restaurant right now. It's called Beloved in New York. It's like at the Lower East Side. I found this maybe 2 weeks ago, and I think I've been here about 5-6 times now. I've been trying like everything new on the menu. It's a vegetarian restaurant, but everything is so good. Y'all have to come here. I put y'all on Nha Trang 1 in Chinatown for like Asian food, but if you guys just want like really good food, period, come here. They have bowls, breakfast, lunch, sandwiches, all that stuff. But one of my favorite things is I think it's like the wholesome bowl. That's been my favorite so far. They have like a scramble, so many things. Y'all have to try it, and it's like really healthy and it tastes super good. I love the vibes here. It's like crystally and like earthy. I love it here. But I'm just basically gonna sit down here and work for a little bit. I have Sterling with me right now. I have him here with me right now as well, but we're just chilling in the corner. I love the vibes here. It's honestly my favorite restaurant in New York. I'm not joking. Like it's so good that I don't even like need to dip it in any of like the sauces that they have. I do sometimes, but like just the vegetables and everything in it itself is good, which is crazy because like the fact that I don't need anything for vegetables. Yeah. It is so hot out right now. I'm sweating balls. Oh my god, and we're in Target. This almond creamer vanilla Nature's Bliss is the best shit I've ever tasted in my entire life. Y'all need to try this. Y'all remember these? My mom used to buy them all the time, especially those cookies, and this would literally be gone in a day. These little mini cupcakes, oh my god, so good. I gotta go before I start spending unnecessary money. I've tried a lot of notebooks, but the moleskin ones are always my favorite, so we're gonna get this one. And green. Green is my favorite color. Oh my god, the kids section. Yo, I used to be a Littlest Pet Shop YouTuber. Like I literally hosted Littlest Pet Shop hauls and stuff like that. And my channel URL is literally called LPS LOL videos because I literally used to do Littlest Pet Shop unboxings. Lego, oh my god. I am buying Legos. All right, I'm back home now. I got a bunch of packages that I need to open, but I'm just gonna eat some mango and like make a little fruit salad. Also, this boy bought me this cake celebrating my clothing line because I released the clothing line, but you would only know if you followed my spam account, which is on the screen right here. But I'm gonna be dropping again in August, like a different collection. So if you guys wanna follow the clothing line account, follow it right here, it's Alchemy. But he got me a cake to celebrate and I haven't ate it yet. And he also got me flowers and stuff. You would have known if you followed the spam account because I talked about it on there, but this is what it looks like. Should I make the fruit salad first or should I just eat this? I think it's cheesecake. This is so good. I like want to eat the whole thing. If you're the boy watching this, thank you. Thank you a lot. There's a part of me that would love to be a mukbang YouTuber. Wow. Ready? Bop. Bop. Fuck. That didn't happen. This is called rambutan. I don't know. In Vietnamese, I call it lum jum. We got the cherries, the different assortments. Boom. Now we have a fruit bowl. Oh my god, she's that girl. All right, we're gonna quickly put all of this laundry away. All done. I'm bored, so I'm gonna call some of y'all right now. I basically just am going through like the orders of my clothing line and just like calling all the phone numbers. Let's see who picks up. No, wait, I saw that you were from Edmonton.
Yeah.
Wait, this is so crazy for me to talk to someone that literally literally knows what Edmonton is. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I just want to call you and say hi. I hope you have a fire rest of your day. She's so cute. Hi.
This is literally so crazy. I can't believe I'm like actually talking to you because I watch your videos like every day.
Oh my gosh. Well, I hope you have a good rest of your day. Thank you so much for ordering. Like, I really appreciate you watching my videos and everything. Seriously, thank you so much. This is the cutest ever.
Oh my god.
Hi. Hi.
This is not real.
This for real is real.
I'm literally in the middle of driving.
Oh, girl! Y'all, I love calling you guys. Like, I want to do this more often. Follow the spam account if you guys haven't already. I don't realize that, like, you guys connect with me like that because I'm talking to a camera right now, so nobody talks back to me. So it's like, I forget that there's you watching on the other end, like, and you are, like, taking this all in because to me, I just feel like I'm talking to a friend, but I forget that, like, you on the other side feel some type of way. Does that make sense? Because, like, that's, like, therapy for me. That's, like, getting things off my chest, you know what I mean? And for you guys watching me probably can do the same, you know? Like, calling you guys, I'm like, whoa, like, there's a real connection there, and that's so crazy. Speaking of mental health though, I just want to thank BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video. Don't click out. Don't do it. Don't do it. I knew you were about to, weren't you? I thought we were supposed to care about mental health. I thought we were supposed to talk about it more, guys, and all of a sudden you want to click out of this sponsor as soon as we talk about mental health. Okay, cool. I see how it is. No, I'm kidding. I actually use BetterHelp, and I referred my friends to BetterHelp, and they have therapists from BetterHelp. Y'all asked me for like where I found my therapist on my spam account when I talked about it, because I talked about how I was going to like therapy, and I actually told you guys about BetterHelp without them even sponsoring me. So fun fact, I just want to let you guys know so you guys know that I'm telling the truth. But if you don't know what BetterHelp is online therapy, so you don't have to actually go in, and you can easily find a therapist in 48 hours after you just like fill out this questionnaire, and they'll match you with one. You get unlimited messaging to your licensed therapist, and let's say you don't like them, let's say you're not vibing, you can switch your therapist. Yep, and I've done it before. My energy is a lot for some people, but the questionnaire asks you like, you know, what you're dealing with so that they could specifically match you up with a therapist. They have like a range of like 20,000 therapists that you can choose from, which is so much better because you get so many more options than just like the therapist around you. It's not just texting though, you can call them too, like video chat. I personally do mine like every single Thursday at about 7 a.m. I know, kind of crazy, but I kind of need it. So y'all can get 10% off your first month of therapy at www.betterhelp.com/myfammy. Yup, click the link down below. Mental health girlies. Ugh, I'm looking crusty, dusty, and musty, and my date's gonna be here in less than 40 minutes. So I'm gonna shower, and then I'm going to do a slick back bun, and then we're gonna get ready. I'm kind of excited to see him. He's not my date. He's like my best friend to me, but at the same time, I kind of like him. Why am I telling y'all this? Y'all, I have to get ready so fast. I was gonna do like an aesthetic ASMR thing, but it's currently 7:42. He said he was gonna be here before 8:10, and I look like this right now. So we're gonna do like a little time lapse, okay? Go watch the TikTok if you guys wanna see what actually went down. Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, Kosas Revealer Concealers. I literally have them in all the different colors. The Milk Makeup Spray, but with the Kabuki brush, oh my gosh, unmatched. Charlotte Tilbury Cream Bronzer. Yo, I saw this literally going viral on TikTok, and I had to try it. It's like Amazon's #1 best-selling lip tint, but you can also use it like as a cheek tint at the same time. This is shade number 17, by the way. I think this is the one they sell the most. You can either apply it with your fingers like this and like blend it in, or you can take a brush and blend it in as well. I guess it just depends on like how concentrated you want it. But like, do you see how nicely that just sunk into my skin? They also have like lip liner kits as well, where it comes with both of them. The Huda Beauty powder. I'm gonna run the NYX Brow Glue through my brows. I'm gonna do a little bit of a wing. Lancome mascara. Kiss 11 lashes, but you must curl them and cut them. I literally have like 3 minutes and I have not changed yet. Oh, I also just used this brow pen by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Highlight, the classic Becca Champagne Pop. A little bit of powder bronzer just to set everything in. A little bit of powder blush, it's like a pretty coral shade. All right, makeup is done. I need to figure out an outfit and then do my hair real quick.
2 seconds later.
Oh my God, they're here. They're here and my hair is not done. My shirt is so wrinkly. Okay, this is supposed to be one of those like I don't give a fuck ponytails, you know? All right, this is it.
West in the West, racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her.